You okay?
Momentum's your friend.
It's a camaraderie, man. It's everybody trying to help everybody get through it.
Yeah.
Because it's so physically and mentally demanding.
Super low revs.
Panama. We're here.
Today begins a 6-day journey with Jarvis Enduro Tours. We are in Las Olas Beach Resort here in the town of devised in Panama. And this is where we're gonna go ahead and get started. A group of 6 of us, we're all set up. We're gonna go ahead and head out. Tomorrow morning, they're gonna have all the motorcycles lined up. We have 2026 KTM 300s, 2 strokes, brand new. So they got a great ride to go ahead and head out on, something super dependable. Can't wait to get them over here tomorrow. Once they come in, they're gonna get set up with us, suspension, everything else, orientation, and then we're just gonna head out straight on this beach.
Like if it's a very hard section or I know it's a section that a lot of people eat shit there, I'll stop and let everybody know. We're gonna be changing terrains throughout the week a lot. It's gonna be clay. It's almost like oil with ice.
Tell you I've never rode with a better group in my life on a hard enduro trip or on any trip, and all of us were just like so close, like family. Kind of like you'll see the situation where I blow my knee out. You see me trying to lift the bike and you hear me scream when I feel the pain, and then a little bit later you'll see me like looking at my knee and I'm moving my leg going, shit man, something's up. Is this recording? Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Good, okay, thanks.
Huh?
I'm like, if I didn't get any of that, I didn't know if it was recording. I'm like, oh man. The support driver would already be at the destination when we arrived, and they'd be waiting for us to go through the bikes and make sure they were mechanically sound after we got home. We never had any support on the road, and then of course they would stay overnight with us, and then we would leave in the morning, and then they would drive to the next stop we were going to go at. The challenge is to just be able to complete it. It's not against anybody else. Having everybody work with you to help you out. Watching somebody else get through the situation so you could try to address how you're going to get through that situation.
We just stopped in at one of the indigenous communities. Hi guys. You see the bridge up there? They live on the river. They can do laundry, they can do whatever they go ahead and do. And the kids want to say hi. Hi. So we got a long ways to go. We got about probably 6 more hours today.
I have another line if you want not do this section. Or you wanna try?
Oh shit. We're going down. Yeah, what? Bob
I got barbed wire. See that?
You said you got barbed wire wrapped up in the tire.
God damn it! I'm gonna come through this one. Oh my God! Yeah! Oh man! Huh?
Just stopped in for a break. We just finished coming through that tunnel of love, number 2, first one in Thailand. And as you might have seen from that previous video, coming to that tree was insane. Man, I got effing ants on me and bugs, Jesus. But what'd you think? Yeah.
What happened was, it was so intense that one of the guys, when we were climbing under that tree, like there's that spot where we're laying our bikes on the ground and we're trying to roll under the tree, he broke down. He couldn't handle it. At that point, he went ahead and said, you know what, dude, I can't do this. The first guide, he's the one that led the remaining 5 of us on the rest of the trip. Cesar, who was the tail guide, he took the other guy on some easy routes around everything, and then they would meet us at lunch and they would meet us at the end of the day. Fuck!
Are you going to the right?
No, I'm gonna take this line, but I gotta fucking take it in second with a little speed.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was gonna let you go. I'm gonna get...
Oh, how do I get out of this fucking thing? Came in too slow. I had to go back at it a second time.
Hell yeah. Right, huh? Second gear, probably.
Yeah.
Momentum's your friend.
Yeah.
How do you want to go? Yeah. I think he's going to.
You better off just fucking...
Oh, is he gonna straighten it out?
I'm fucking tired.
You got it?
I'll just say it might better come down and do it again.
Yeah.
Go, man.
You want me to go? Take a break? Oh, shit. Ugh. Holy fuck. Jesus criminy. Damn it! Awesome.
The overall goal is just to complete it. That's it. It's like not a race, it's just completion.
Oh, he's doing what I did. He's gonna get stuck. Unless it comes all the way around, I don't know. Hey! I went left.
You gotta call in front so everybody stay in a straight line.
Remember that horse earlier?
Oh yeah, he was.
If that fucking thing broke the line he was on, somebody would have died.
He was pissed.
That thing was pissed. He was running full speed trying to break that line he was on. And he's gonna run straight out in traffic with us for sure.
I've been attacked by a goat. In the Philippines, man. Fuck, straight up.
Okay, super low revs. We're gonna stay on the right hand side, okay?
Sabroso. Cha cha cha. Sabroso, señoras y señores. Este es un baile que se llama cha cha cha. ¿Cómo es? Ay, baila mi cha cha cha. Ay, qué bonito. Baila mi rico cha cha cha.
We just took a break, stopped off. It's been pretty rough. We got quite a few accidents on here. I've been down probably about 6 times. And we are taking a break now at the river. And then just take a dip, rinse off. It's been rough, but we keep going.
Bailalo suavecito, bailalo. Baila mi rico cha cha cha. Cha 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 por aquí, cha 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 por allá. Baila mi rico cha cha cha.
coming into the hot springs. This is Paraíso Escondido, which is basically hidden paradise. As you head on down, we're headed down to the hot springs. I'm a little banged up. I got definitely a damaged thumb. I got a damaged pinky and a damaged ego.
Down for a Balboa.
Coming in for Rocky Balboa. All right, you guys. Getting it done. This is the hot spring, and as we can go ahead and check this out, it's right here on the river. Your hangout spot down there. We have split the pack. The Swiss Army knives and the guy they headed up, they're going to do a little bit more hard enduro, and we wanted to branch off. Okay, so we have just checked into our cottage for the first night. We are back here in the jungle. Bikes are getting maintained over there. Got a setup. Got my sofa, a barbecue. We are officially checked in at Cabanas Rio Encantado. Talk about the jungle. Head over and check out the pool. Get a swim on, and then head out for dinner. All right, we were at the Boquete Brewing Company. We were hanging out here. Gentlemen, the Swiss Army knives are hanging out down here.
Swiss Army knives.
And we got Chris and Alex hanging out. We lost one. Greg vanished, but we'll find him at some point. See you guys soon. We're going to keep riding.